Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my soft and moist low-carb chocolate brownies. These brownies will satisfy the best of chocolate cravings and at only 1.07 grams of net carbs per serving, offer a perfect low-carb treat. Using no flour and only a few ingredients, this is a very easy recipe to make. Let me show you how. We'll be using 8 ounces of unsweetened chocolate for this recipe. You'll want to cut or break the chocolate into small pieces to help it melt a bit quicker. We'll create a double boiler by having a bit of water in a saucepan come to a simmer and place a large heat-proof bowl over the top. Place all of the chocolate into the bowl. Add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You'll want to be sure the butter is cut into pieces as well. Add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a bit of salt. Let our chocolate mixture slowly melt, stirring occasionally. When the chocolate is about half melted, add a granulated sugar substitute equal to 2 cups of regular sugar. Give that a mix and continue to stir occasionally while our chocolate melts. Once the chocolate is melted, turn off the heat and let cool a bit while we work on our egg mixture. Place 4 large eggs into a mixing bowl. It helps to reduce chances of eggshells getting into the mix if when cracking the eggs you use a flat surface and not the edge of the bowl. Use a stand or hand mixer and beat the eggs for a minute or two until nice and fluffy. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and whip the eggs a bit more. Pour our cool chocolate mixture into the eggs and with the hand mixer, mix until both are fully incorporated. Grease an 8x8 baking dish by placing a bit of butter in your hands and rubbing the butter over the interior of the dish. Be sure to grease the walls of the dish as well. Pour our chocolate batter into the center. Now gently shake the dish and give a few taps to evenly distribute and remove any air. Place in the middle of a preheated 325-degree oven for 45 minutes. When done, let cool on a baking rack. You may notice the whole dish or maybe one side has risen a bit. Let cool for at least 25 minutes. After cooling, you'll see the brownies have settled evenly. Run a knife along the outside and cut into even squares. These brownies should come out looking flaky on the outside and soft and moist on the inside. There you have it, folks, my flourless, soft and moist low-carb chocolate brownies. Perfect for something after a meal or maybe when you just want a little something sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.